Follow these steps to make your iPhone sound louder. First, launch your settings. Now let's check whether your headphone accommodations are turned on. If you're using headphones and this setting is off, I highly recommend enabling it. Switching it to vocal range and move the slider to strong. This will enhance the volume for audio played through headphones. Go to accessibility, then navigate to the option audio and visual. Click on the option headphone accommodations, enable for this option. Set it to vocal range and set the slider to the strong. Now scroll down, click on the option called audio routing. Make sure it is set to automatic. Next, still in the accessibility settings, let's make sure the hearing aid compatibility is turned off. That, head back, click on the option hearing devices. Now disable for this option. Now head back. Let's move on to the sound and haptics. Go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, click on sound and haptics, scroll down and check if your phone limits the volume for safety reasons. First, disable any volume limit if it's set to something like 60% or 70%. You want to ensure you are getting maximum volume. Then turn off reduce loud sounds. While this feature is designed to protect your hearing, it also limits the volume. So we will switch that off to get louder sound. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get loud sound on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.